This is Chris from needlepointers.com. Today I'm here with a fun in the hoop machine embroidery project. These are crazy patch ornaments. I made these ornaments from designs purchased from Designs by Juju. I have 4 designs: the tree, the mitten, the stocking, and the heart. These ornaments are quick and easy to make and are perfect for using up scrap fabric. Since there is a step-by-step photo tutorial included with the purchase, I won't be going through the whole process, but keep watching as I talk to see the process of stitching the mitten ornament in high speed. Each ornament is stitched similarly. These ornaments are completed in the hoop, which means they are finished and only need to be trimmed after the stitching is complete. The stitch time on these ornaments is about 5 to 6 minutes. They will take you a bit longer to make, maybe around 20 to 30 minutes because of the trimming and adding of the separate fabrics. There are other designs including a gingerbread, star, bell, snowflake, snowman, finial, ornament, and Santa hat. The normal price for these designs is $7 each, but Designs by Juju regularly has sales, so if you wait for a sale, you can purchase them much cheaper. The designs come in 3 sizes: 4x4, 5x7, and 6x10, and the files are available for most embroidery machines. Each design comes with a printable PDF step-by-step photo tutorial, a thumbnail PDF, and a color chart PDF. What you will need to make these ornaments is scrap fabrics, batting, foam, or felt for the inner layer, medium tearaway stabilizer, thread, a 7-inch piece of ribbon or cording to hang it. Heat and bond light is optional. You'll need scissors, pinking shears, and an embroidery machine. So, I'm almost done making this ornament. Let us know what you think about this project in the comments below. Like and share our videos, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other sewing tutorials and free projects. While you are there, sign up for our free weekly newsletter so you won't miss new tutorials. What do you think of my finished mitten ornament? Happy sewing!